Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by enabling Siri and voice feedback so your iPhone 15 will actually speak back. You enable Listen for Hey Siri and the side button in Settings, then set voice feedback to Always. This forces audible responses even on silent. Make sure your microphone works, record a short voice memo, and play it back. Once done, adjust volume on the side buttons and check focus modes so they won't silence Siri. These steps ensure the system is ready to respond aloud. Next, tailor how Siri speaks so the responses feel natural to you. Change Siri voice and language in Siri and Search. Matching language improves recognition and pronunciation. Pick an accent and voice that you find clear, then adjust speech rate under Accessibility Spoken Content to slow down or speed up delivery. This helps when instructions are dense. Once set, test by asking Siri a multi-step question and make sure phrasing and pronunciation are comfortable so Siri's audible replies are both accurate and easy to follow. Finally, test the full flow. Say Hey Siri aloud, ask a question, and listen for an audible reply, adjust volume if needed. If Siri stays silent, restart the iPhone, toggle Siri off/on, and check for iOS updates. These fix most issues. Also reset Siri settings only if nothing else works because you'll reteach preferences. Make sure focus modes and Bluetooth audio routing aren't redirecting sound. One key tip: if Siri replies but is faint, clean the microphone and speaker cutouts before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.